This is Symphony 280 Mike Foxtrot. It's a single engine, 160 horsepower airplane made in Germany, assembled in Canada. It's a high wing configuration with fairly large windows. Excellent platform for aerial photography. As you can see, it's a very sleek design. It's got a cruise speed of approximately 130 knots, burns approximately 9.2 gallons per hour at that setting. If you dial the RPMs back down, say you want to cruise at about 100 knots, you're going to average about 6.2, 6.3 gallons per hour, which is quite fuel efficient for an airplane. It's a two-seater, and you can pretty much stick as much stuff in the back as you want. It'll take 150 pounds in the back. What's nice about this airplane for aerial photography and video shooting, the doors do come off. You can shoot aerial photography without any window glass in your way. Why don't we go take her for a spin, see how she flies.